Hello friends, welcome to Shri Food YouTube channel. In today's recipe, I am going to pick some vegetables from my home garden. This is a well-grown cucumber. The special thing is this does not contain any agrochemicals. So let's make healthy and delicious cucumber curry from these fresh vegetables. These are the ingredients: 1 medium-sized cucumber, green chili 2 to 3 numbers, 2 garlic cloves, dried chili 1 to 2 numbers, red onion 2 to 3 numbers, half large onion, curry leaves, half teaspoon mustard seeds. This is 1 cup second extract of milk, 1 cup first extract milk, salt, pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, small piece of cinnamon, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon curry powder. Now I'm going to dice the cucumber. This is washed and peeled off. First you have to remove the seeds like this, and then cut the cucumbers into small pieces like this. Now it's time to add spices. Add some fenugreek seeds, curry powder, some turmeric powder, cinnamon piece, garlic, red onion, green chilies, curry leaves, and second extract of milk. Mix everything, and you have to cook this on medium heat for about 10 minutes. At this time you have to add first extract of milk and mix well. Then add some salt and sprinkle some pepper powder. Now stir well until it boils. Meanwhile, in another pan, heat some oil. When oil is heated, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Now add chopped onion and saute it for few minutes. Then add curry leaves and saute it 3 to 4 minutes until onion gets golden brown. Finally, add dried chili and saute it again. Now our cucumber curry is boiling. So you can add onion mixture to it like this. Now our cucumber curry is ready to serve. You also can try this recipe at home. If you like my video, please consider subscribing and hit on the bell icon to get more recipes. Thank you for watching.